Want to have a treat?
Yeah, I want a treat. What do you think?
Well, what else? A treat?
Just
A treat? What do you think?
Oh, just
Yeah, you think so?
yeah.
Well, how does a treat sound? For Howl? Can you howl for a treat?
Why should I?
What do you think? Huh?
I think you ought to just give it to me. Yes.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, that's right. That's what I just said, isn't it?
Well, my goodness. And what else? You got more stuff to say about that? Hey, did you want a treat?
Look, we already had this discussion.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Well,
we did. We talked
what
about
kind of
it.
treat?
We just talked about it. I said no.
Oh,
That's
yeah?
right.
Oh, I don't know about
What?
that comment. I don't know about that.
Well, I can talk a lot more.
Oh, you seem pretty... Hey, you gonna howl for a treat or what? Yeah, I see why you're doing that now. Hey, you gonna get him howl for a treat? Come on.
Well, we already talked about this. I said no.
Yeah? What else?
Yes. I ought to just...
Yeah? And what else? Do you really like treats?
I really like trees. What are you having this discussion here? What do you think?
Oh my, what was that? That sounded kind of vaguely threatening. Can you really howl for a treat? Hey, Rio, tell me, can you howl for a treat? Do you know how to howl? Do you know how to talk? Can you speak English?
Of course I can speak English, dummy.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, talk better than you. Jeez.
Whoa, wow. Oh, it's like that, huh? Okay. How about howl for a treat? Come on, howl for a treat. One last time. I'll give you a chance. I'll give you a chance if you howl for a treat. Come on, howl for a treat. No? That's it? You just gonna sulk there?
Yeah, well, what do you think? You just give me a hard time.
Well, that was a very quiet howl.
No.
Do you think that's gonna work? You think that's enough for a treat? Really?
Jeez, what I have to do anyway is you treat me like a dog.
Really?
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah, I just bite you.
Well,
Jeez.
how about a big milk bone treat? How does that sound?
Well, it sounds like it's redundant, you dummy.
A Vitabone? A milk bone? You howl for a treat? Come on, you can do it.
Expect me to get all excited.
Come on, you
now.
can do
You're
it.
just
Yeah, you
cheating me.
can.
I know
Of
you
course
are.
you can.
Just stop it.
Yeah? Hey,
Just gonna,
oh, you're just gonna lick the
yeah,
foot?
my foot tastes good.
Is that it? Well, come on, let's hear it now. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear the howl for a treat.
I'm just gonna give you the silent treatment. That's what I'm gonna do. Ha ha ha. Ha ha.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Hey, you think that's
All
funny?
right. Yeah.
Oh, you're a funny dog.
Oh yeah, I know. I just
Oh,
yeah.
What else? What else you got
I
to
guess
say?
I'd roll over and die. That's what I ought to do.
And what else? Can you talk some more? For a treat?
Just die for this.
Oh, I don't think you're any good at
Oh
talking
well,
about
goodbye.
treats now,
I'm
are
dying.
you?
Bye. Bye. I'll see you later.
No? You're just gonna lie down?
yeah.
Upside Oh, like that, huh? Is that it? Oh, you're just gonna roll over and die. Is that it? Oh, well. Yeah.
I was just kidding. Jeez, can't you?
Oh, good. I kind of thought you were faking your death. All right, how about a treat? Let's get a treat.
Jeez, you really gonna do it this time? Stop teasing me. Really? No. Okay. Thank you. About time.
Unhappy dog.